gently closing down your eyes. Rest your hands gently on your legs or cupping them in your lap. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Filling your lungs up with air and sinking deeper into your chair as you gently ground down into this moment. You have nowhere else to be. Just be here with your breath as you take a deep breath in and breath out. Feeling the air enter and leave your body as you sink deeper into the chair, your body becoming heavy and relaxed. Now bringing your attention to just above the top of your head, a bright energy just hovering there above your scalp. Bring your attention now into your scalp, your forehead, and your temples. Deep breath in and a deep breath out. Bringing your awareness to your ears, your eyebrows, your eyes, your eye sockets. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out as the corner of your eyes gently smile. Bring your attention now to your nose, down towards the tip of your nose. Just watching the air as it goes in and flows out of your nostrils. Bringing your attention to your cheeks, your jaw, and your tongue, just resting heavy there in your mouth. Bring your attention now to your lips and your chin. You may notice different body sensations here in your head. Whatever you're thinking or feeling, just noticing it and letting it go. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Sinking deeper into your chair and letting any tension drift away. Lowering your attention now to your throat, the back of your neck, the sides of your neck, and the tops of your shoulders. We tend to hold tension in this area of our body. Just noticing any sensations here. Breathing into these areas and letting it soften while you breathe out. If your mind has wandered off, that's okay. Just gently smiling and bringing your attention back now towards your arms. Circling down your arms towards your elbows. Noticing your forearms, your wrists, your palms, and your fingers. Just gently scanning from the base of your fingers all the way up to your fingertips. Noticing any sensations you may have here on your skin. Now bringing your awareness to your back, your shoulder blades, the middle of your back, and your lower back. This is another area we can hold heat or tension in the body. If you feel any tension, strain, or other sensations here, taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out, and letting any tension drift away. Bringing your attention now to your chest, taking a moment to observe the air enter and leave your lungs. Bringing your awareness now to your stomach, just noticing it as it rises and falls with the breath. Your stomach is an area where we can hold stress or anxiety. Just noticing what you're feeling here and being okay with that and letting it go. Bring your attention now to your pelvis and your hips as they sink deeper and heavier into your chair. Your body is becoming more relaxed with every breath. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Now scanning your legs from the tops of your thighs down towards your knees, your shins and your calves. Just noticing what is here. Are there any feelings or sensations? Noticing what they are and letting it go. Just taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out, allowing your legs to be heavy and relaxed. Bringing your attention now down towards your ankles, your feet, the heels, the soles of your feet, and your toes. Just noticing what is here. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Relaxing into a state of calmness. Just taking the next few moments to notice how relaxed your body feels, scanning all the way from your head through to your toes. And gently, just start bringing your attention back into the body. The sensation of your feet on the floor, your hands resting in your lap. Just starting to notice any sounds. Gently wiggling your toes and your fingers. And when you're ready, ever so slowly, opening up your eyes. Just taking a few seconds before getting up to notice how you feel compared to how you felt when you first sat down to scan through your body. Taking this peaceful state with you into your day.